Things people should avoid while living in Japan, Part 2. Is it illegal? What are the violations like petty crimes that are sneaking up on us? Many people would be taken aback if they were informed that certain everyday activities may be violating laws. However, there are many common activities that could potentially fall under misdemeanor and other laws. It is advisable to gain knowledge about them so that you can take actions that do not violate the law. If you're unsure, consult a legal expert. The Misdemeanor Act covers 33 acts that are considered crimes. And it also pertains to matters related to what we keep in our homes and familiar habits. Carrying a driver, etc. Even though a screwdriver is commonly available in most households. Article 1, Item 3 of the Misdemeanor Act may lead to criminal charges if you have one in your vehicle. The reason for this is that tools like flathead screwdrivers and crowbars are classified as designated intrusion tools and can be used to break into buildings. Carrying these tools while using them for business purposes will not result in criminal charges. It's unlikely that ordinary people would be charged with a crime unless they committed it with the intention of burglary or trespassing. Typically, most vehicles have a toolkit. If it's positioned properly in the toolkit, you won't be questioned. Creating a bonfire in the vicinity of residential areas. Illuminating a bonfire near objects or buildings that could catch on fire, such as a house. Its fence, combustible materials, gas stands, or a forest, is illegal under Article 1, Item 9 of the Misdemeanor Act, and can lead to charges such as abuse of fire. Cutting in line. Cutting in line of people waiting for transportation or a performance in a public place and disrupting it may also be a violation of Article 1, Item 13 of the Misdemeanor Act. Using abusive language to intimidate and cause more trouble to those around you could result in being charged with intimidation or coercion. Additionally, if you are in a railway facility, it could lead to a violation of the Railway Business Act. Spitting on the roadside, etc. Spitting on the street or in other public places can lead to violating Article 1, Item 26 of the Misdemeanor Act. This type of behavior not only violates the law, but also causes discomfort to others and is unsanitary, so please avoid doing so.